my 5-hour energy drinks.
Wait, that's the reason. There it is. Yo, don't look, because this is a big old... Throw it in there, right there on top.
We need this fire for warmth. Whoa.
That might take a while. I don't know.
This big rocket, which way is it pointing?
It'll go.
Who's staying at the fire?
Let's get wild!
Let's
get wild! Let's start this fucking bachelor party! Woo!
There's on the fire!
Sitting on it too.
Was that Kibasi Dave?
Those are waiting a while.
Turn off KLBJ. Get the party going.
After a couple tours.
Oh no. No!
Burning down the woods. God damn it. I ain't trying to do it. I didn't get on tape at all. Alright, let's redo that.
Whoa.
Jeff, come here to the light. Oh my God.
Is that it?
Yeah, he pretty much emptied the tub.
That was pretty much it. Let's just get a second tub.
Whoa.
Let's get warm now.